Welcome to a fascinating journey to the tiny world inside us, a world where genes dance to the tune of life's many influences. Today we're diving into how our DNA isn't just a static set of instructions, but a dynamic, ever-changing blueprint shaped by mutations, epigenetics, and the environment. With mutations, little typos in the genetic code, sometimes accidental, sometimes impactful, our story doesn't end. Enter epigenetics, a sophisticated layer of regulation that decides which genes get turned on or off without changing the underlying DNA sequence. This includes DNA methylation, where methyl groups attach to DNA, acting like biological dimmers that can silence or activate genes. Then there are histone modifications. Histones are spools around which DNA winds. Adding or removing chemical groups like acetyl or phosphate groups can loosen or tighten this grip, influencing gene expression in a subtle yet powerful way. The chromatin, the complex of DNA wrapped around histones, working like a finely tuned orchestra. When histones undergo modifications such as acetylation, citrullination, or phosphorylation, they change how spatial arrangement of nucleosomes, affecting how accessible certain genes are. It's like rearranging furniture in a room to change its function. What influences this intricate epigenetic landscape? Our environment and behavior play starring roles. Factors like diet, stress, or exposure to pollutants can induce epigenetic alterations, leading to changes in gene expression that can impact our health, sometimes even across generations. Certain bioactive nutrients and vitamins can modify DNA methylation patterns or histone signatures, acting as natural epigenetic modifiers. Diet is not just about what you eat, but also what your gut microbiome, the trillions of tiny microbes living in your gastrointestinal tract, are doing. These microbes produce short-chain fatty acids and antimicrobial peptides, which can influence inflammation and modulate epigenetic marks. They also synthesize vitamins and aid nutrient absorption, supporting overall health. Here's where the gut-brain axis comes into play, a bustling communication highway linking your gastrointestinal microbiome to your central nervous system. The gut microbes produce neurotransmitters and other neuroactive compounds that affect mood, cognition, and behavior. This intricate connection means that your gut health can influence mental health and even susceptibility to psychiatric disorders. All these factors, mutation, epigenetic modification, environmental influence, and microbial activity, intertwine to orchestrate gene expression patterns that shape our health and disease risk. Think of epigenomics as the study of these layers, understanding how the epigenetic landscape influences our genes and how lifestyle choices can tweak this landscape. Thus, our genome is not a fixed script, but a living document constantly edited by our environment, behaviors, and microscopic allies in our guts. Because in this grand biological adventure, you're both the author and the reader of your own genetic story.